cooking channel. Today I'm going to be preparing some keto bagels. So let me get started. Today I'm going to make some bagels. So there's my flour that I'm going to use, my almond flour, my bowl there. I'm going to use a little Stevia, baking powder, soda, oat fiber, right here, oat fiber, and some coconut flour. Oh, I also will add a half-4 teaspoon of unsalted butter. And that will be it. Oh, I forgot about the salt. And so here's the recipe. I'm going to add 1 cup of almond flour through the sieve here, 1 tablespoon of oat fiber, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder need breaking up, so I'm glad I'm using half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, half a pack of stevia, okay, let me get this flour through the sieve here. Get some of these lumps out. If you use coconut flour, you always want to use a sieve or with it, because definite, even though they say it's ground finely, but it's not. Well, it probably is, but you still need to use the sieve. Maybe just lump up in the bag, I don't know. And see that baking powder, rather, going through the sieve as well. Gotta get my baking soda out of here. See it in the bottom there? Nice it look. After using that sieve. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and add my butter. And I will add 3 eggs to this bowl. Get them right now. Okay, and that's it. Mix it up really well. Okay, I'm gonna spray the pan that I'm gonna use with some olive oil. This batter is not going to make 6 bagels. So I think it will probably make about 4. So that's enough for 2 people. You know, I'm not going to eat but 1 each day anyway. Okay, I'm going to wet my fingers so that I can kind of spread the batter around in the pan here. Okay, see that one? Looks nice. I used up all of the batter. Everything. I made 4. It's going to make 4 bagels. So now I'm going to sprinkle some bagel seasoning on the top of it. Okay, this is what I'm going to sprinkle on the top of the bagels. Smells good. Smells just like bagels. I'm going to place the bagels in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
I'm going to go ahead and prepare this bacon to be baked in the oven. When I bake it, I just bake the whole package, the whole pack. And one time, I think I'm gonna have to do it this way because it's quite a bit. When I have to bake a lot, I just fold them in half. They just cook just as good. See, I got them all on the pan, so I'm gonna go ahead and place them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I will be eating smoked salmon, smoked Atlanta salmon for breakfast with my bagels this morning. So this is what I'm gonna have along with some cream cheese on the bagel. Here's the cream cheese that I'm gonna add to my bagel. Okay, I just took the bagels out of the oven. They are definitely done after 20 minutes. So I'm gonna let them cool off some, and then I will take one of them out and cut it so that you can see what it looks like, okay? Okay. The bagels are cool, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into the bagel so you can see what it looks like. See how nice they look in the inside, and they taste delicious. I have made this recipe several times before I filmed it. So it is a great recipe. So if you like this recipe, like, comment, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day. I just had a piece of the bagel. It is really good, really tasty. So I hope you try this recipe. It is so good. And so I'm talking with my mouth full of food. So thank you so much for watching.